and today is the day I'm just jumping in to let you know I'm having a Black Friday flash sale with 35% discount off Learn to Paint with Confidence. This is an online course that helps beginner artists create unique, beautiful paintings with confidence so that you can finally let go of having to rely on tutorials and improve your painting skills so that you have the freedom to paint whatever you want. So let me know in the comments who here loves painting but struggles when you're not following along with a tutorial. Let me know in the comments, just like raise an emoji hand if that's you and you identify with that. And if over 75 of the paintings you actually create without a tutorial don't work out, then I'm willing to bet you probably jumped right into painting without having a process to follow. I learned this the hard way, and this is where I want to help, because in this course I have put everything that I wish I had known, including a 3-step signature method that takes you from art imitator to art innovator. And it really makes it simple just to take any reference, any subject, and use that to create your own unique artwork. It's actually really simple when you break it down, because when you are following a tutorial, it's kind of like following the footsteps of somebody else who knows where they're going. They've already planned the journey, so you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is just follow their footsteps and enjoy the ride and enjoy painting. Because painting tutorials, they teach you the how, which you can copy, but they don't always tell you the why you're doing things. And the why is really important, because that is the driving force behind every decision you make in your painting. Now, this is why many painters feel confused when it comes to creating their own artwork, like, how should I begin? How should I layer a painting? Can't quite get the colours right that I want. So if you're ready to understand the whys of painting so that you can let go of tutorials and create your own unique artwork in your own style, you will finally be able to experience the power and the freedom of being able to paint whatever you want. It's an incredibly freeing experience. And the thing is, it's not going to be for everybody. You know, you should only join us in Learn to Paint with Confidence if, let's say, you can raise a hand to any of these following 3 things. So if you feel like you are ready to take your art seriously and put in the effort to improve your skills, if you want to grow in confidence and feel good about the artwork that you make and feel happy with it, and if you're ready to let go of maybe some of the fears that are holding you back so that you can experiment, learn and grow in your art journey in a positive way with confidence, if that sounds good, then it would be my absolute honour to watch you grow as an artist in your own art journey in Learn to Paint with Confidence. And it's incredible seeing all the experiences that the students are having there. And when you create your own unique artwork, it's like treading in a new territory that's never been explored, and it is so much more exciting and rewarding to create your own unique artwork because it's your story. But here's the thing, if you're setting out on a new journey, you know, do you just aimlessly wander or drive around just hoping to end up where you need to be? Or do you plan the journey? If you're like me, I like use Google Maps for everything. I made sure I've like filled the tank up with fuel and taken snacks, drinks for a ride, get my favorite playlist on. So when you create your own artwork, you need to create the plan around your painting, just like you would if you were embarking on a new journey. And I teach a 7-step to paint anything framework, which gives you a specific process that you can use for every painting in the course and in the future, so that you can feel confident in your painting session. And these steps just lay it out for you to just follow, and it makes it super simple. And I am your biggest cheerleader, because together we can make your dreams of being an artist actually come true. That's up to you. But the 35% discount ends really soon. You can find the link to the course in the description box if you would like to join us, and I'll also pin a link in the comment section, which you can go check it out. And if you've got any questions, just let me know. You can pop it in the comments, or you can send me a DM, or if you prefer to keep your question private, that's fine. You can email me at shop@katiedrobbling.com, and I will do my best to get through everybody's questions. So yeah, you can make the decision whether you think it is right for you or not. So thank you so much, and have a beautiful evening. Bye.